Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you are doing great today. In this video, I will be sharing with you how I made this cloves oil and clove tea. I have a video where I talk about the benefit of cloves. So some people were asking how to make cloves oil and cloves water. So this is not how to make cloves water. I just decided to make cloves tea instead of clove water, but I'm still going to talk about and teach you how you can make your own cloves water. Okay, so if you want to make your own cloves water, not this one I'm showing you, this one is cloves tea. So how to make cloves water: you take, let me say, 500 ml of water, put it in an airtight container, then you add about 2 teaspoons of cloves or 3 teaspoons of cloves inside. You cover it very well, make sure it's very tight, shake it very well, then you keep it for 7 days, and every day you make sure you are going there to shake it for that 7 days. Then you sieve the water out. This way you have your cloves water. So in this video, I only show you how to make cloves oil and cloves tea. So if you want to make your own cloves water, I hope you understand how I explained it. So if today is your first time coming across my channel, hi, you're welcome to my channel. Please do not forget to show some love to this video by giving me a thumbs up, leave me a nice comment, and also to my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much for always coming back to watch my videos. I truly appreciate all the love and support. I'm not taking it for granted. So guys, sit back, relax, let's dive into the video. So first, let's make cloves oil. So this cloves oil, I'm making it because I'll be using it for my hair. That's the reason why I'm adding lavender. So if you are making cloves maybe for toothache and any other treatment, feel free, you can skip the lavender. You don't need to add that. So I don't think I have measurement. I'm just going with the flow. So this is my avocado oil. Avocado oil is very good for hair, and I'm not talking much about the benefit of cloves in this video because I have a video about that already. I'll be leaving the link in the description, so you can kindly go there, click on the video and watch from start to finish so you understand more about cloves and the benefits. Okay, so this is my lavender. I'm going to crush the cloves a little bit. You can use your pistol to crush it a little bit, but I don't have that. I'll be using my coffee blender to crush it. So when I'm done, I'll now put it inside an airtight container, then add my oil.
Oh, gee, my bro, I'm sorry. It's not money, don't call me. It's been a long way coming. It no go make sense if you don't know the journey. I do, I promise, mommy. But man got no worries. Just like yesterday, mama tell me, say, make a wise up. Anytime I fall, I go rise up. She said, no big good look, cause that joy. It's stuff I know. Anyhow we be.
So as you can see what I'm doing here, I just added a little bit of lavender, okay? Not too much. Like guys, the scent is heavily. Like the scent of this lavender, this fresh organic lavender. So it's not mixed with like any other stuff. It's just 100% natural, organic. So when you're adding your oil, make sure your oil is above the cloves, okay? Then you cover it very well and you start shaking. Make sure to shake very well. Then you leave it for 7 days. You can leave it for 3 days. Oh, there are so many ways to make cloves oil. There are so many methods, but I prefer this method because I feel this method is more organic. I'm not heating it on the stove, or I'm not using hot water to heat it so the cloves will like mix well to the oil. No, I'm not doing that. Instead, I prefer to leave mine for 7 days, and after 7 days I sieve out the oil. So guys, before that 7 days, make sure every day you are shaking the bottle, okay? Where you kept it, go there every day and you'll be shaking it for that 7 days. Then on the 7th day, you sieve out the oil. As you can see, we have our cloves oil, okay? Like I said before, cloves have a lot of benefits. Go to my description box. I'll be leaving the link below where I talked about the benefits of cloves. So try to watch the video from the beginning to the end so you can understand more about cloves, okay? So this is the oil I got from the one that I did. At least this one will last me for a while. Okay, let's make our cloves tea. Cloves tea has a lot of benefit, but I'll just explain like just one benefit. Like I said before, I have the video already. So cloves tea may help to boost sperm count in men. Drinking cloves tea early in the morning has been shown to help in boosting sperm count, increase sperm production, and sperm volume. So I'll be showing you how to make your own clove tea at home. I added 5 ml water in a pan, place it on the stove, allow it to boil. Then I go in with 2 teaspoons of cloves, allow this to cook for 10 to 15 minutes. So after 10 to 15 minutes, you turn off the heat, allow this to cool down for 5 minutes, then you sieve out the water. And yes, we have our clove tea. It's optional. You can add a teaspoon or half teaspoon of honey. Try this recipe, guys. You're going to love it. We've come to the end of this video. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, and share. Sure to see you in my next one. Bye.